Hello everyone, I'm Neha and I'm back with a new how to tutorial after a long time. So in today's how to tutorial, I'll be explaining you how to change your own profile's name and the username, whether you are managing your own profile or you are having a profile just to manage your business page. So in both cases, if you want to change your profiles, individual profiles in name and username, so I'm going to tell you in this tutorial. So though it's a very basic change, but sometimes people get confused that from where they'll be able to change their name. So the quickest way is click on this icon and then go to settings, and you'll be able to see your name, username, contact, and other stuff here. So click on the name, and you can choose whatever name you want to, but it has to be uh, it has to be according to the name policy that Facebook has, that I'll be explaining you later on in this tutorial. So choose a genuine name. Otherwise, for example, if I'll use any adjective out here, maybe, and click on review change, it will not allow me because Facebook name policy is too strict these days, and you will be able to uh, change the name only if you are using a genuine name, right? So sometimes people, when creating a Facebook account, they might misspell their names. So it's very important that you can change the name from here, but make sure that once you change your name, you won't be able to change it for like the next 60 days. You won't be able to change that name. And sometimes people misspell their middle name. So that's how you can correct your complete name from this section, and then click on review changes. If it is within the policies, name policies of Facebook, it will help you to change from here only. But again, I'm telling you that do it with very much cautiously, because you won't be able to change it for like almost 2 months, right? So make sure you use the right name out here. And just to show you that, for example, if I want to again keep whatever the name is, and so it will give me few suggestions whether I want to keep this one or this one based on the words that I've added in my middle name, in the first name and the last name. um, So that's how you can change the name. If you want to change the username, so you can do this way. For example, if I want to keep this one, the dummy account that I have, it since you can see that the username is not available, so I might have to brainstorm some words to find out the relevant username out here. Uh, Also not available. This is also not available. This is available. So if you are satisfied with this username, then you can always go ahead and click on save changes, right? But make sure your username is again an authentic name, otherwise you won't be able to change it, because it's a personal profile, it's not a business profile or business page. So definitely your name should be there, so that the username looks genuine to Facebook and it allows you to save the changes. Cool. So this is how you can change your username and name. And now I'm going to tell you that what are the name policies of Facebook and what names are not allowed. And you can find the support URLs in my videos description section as well. So this is how the whole process is mentioned by Facebook. So that's all I've explained in my video. So this is how you can change. You can go to the name, you can check the name standards and review change and click on save changes as I've explained in the video. And then what names are allowed on Facebook, right? So obviously the authentic identities and genuine names will be the best names that you can use on Facebook. However, there are a couple of types of names that you won't be able to use, such as symbols, number, unusual capitalization, repeating characters or punctuation, characters from multiple language, titles of any kind like professional, religious, words or phrases in place of a name, offensive or suggestive words of any kind. So these are kind of, some names that are not allowed by Facebook. And then you can go ahead and read the other guidelines given by Facebook. And so this is one support URL where you which you can use in case if you are finding any problem in changing your name. You can always contact Facebook. You can also find the same URL from here also, that um, not from here only. So I'll be sharing these URLs in the this description section, so that you can always remember or get to know that how the Facebook profile name and username can be changed. And in case you face any problem in changing your name, you should always contact Facebook via this form, and register your complaint. And that's how you can change your name and username. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe me for more how to tutorials on Facebook and Google and other SEO or marketing related stuff.